Hi students, how are you? So today we are going to discuss CBSE 2025 Chapter 1 Electric Fields and Charges question. So let's go into it. It's a very interesting question. So electric field in a region is given by 40x I cap they have given. So x is the variable there. So it's not a uniform field because x is present. It's a non-uniform field. Find the amount of work done in taking a unit positive charge from a point, this point 0, 3 to 5, 0 they have given. Okay. Now they have given a electric field, they are asking to move a unit positive charge. So unit positive charge means always what value? So Q value will be equal to what? 1 coulomb we can take. Okay. So that is Q is equal to 1 coulomb positive charge. But they didn't talk about which type of work done, because work done is given. There are two types of work done. One is external, another one is what? Electrical. Okay, the relation between external and electric is just a minus will be there. Okay, so in the exams you need to write this formula and you can find the work done. Either you can find this electric or external. Okay, electric means it's very easy. The electric force, what will be acting on this charge? Electric force is nothing but Q into E vector is the formula. For this you need to find the work done to move a charge from this point to that point. Okay, now let's try to find that. See, this is not a general problem, because W is equal to F dot D. Okay, if you do this it becomes wrong, because this formula is used only when there is a constant force, that is Fd cos theta, but we cannot use it here because it's a non-uniform electric field is there, non-uniform force also. Okay, now let's try to solve this problem in the more standard way. Non-uniform force is given, so what you need to do is F vector dot dr vector. So F vector, how to find? Come on, charge is 1 and the electric field they are given as what? 40x I cap. Okay, so this is going to be my electric force, that is this is going to be electric force. Okay, as I am using what force? I am using electric force, so it is a electric work done. Okay, now I got 40x I cap is my force, dot dr vector. In place of dr vector, what you need to write is, see here, 40x I cap dot of, what is dr vector? It's always dx I cap plus dy j cap. My everyone clear? Yes. Now you need to do dot product. So because since there is a dot product, if you do dot product, what you will get? Come on, I cap terms will multiply, it becomes as 1. So 40x dx. But what I cap and j cap, if you do, the answer will go to 0. So we don't want to put dy. Okay, so only this term will be remaining. And what is the x value here? So since there is a integration, now this another term will become as 0 when you try to do dy. Since there is x is there, I need to put x limits. What will be the x limits? What is the initial x value? 0. What is the final x value? 5. So these things are going to be y values. So 0 to, it's going to be 5 meter. Okay, if it is centimeter is given, you should convert to meter. For example, 5 centimeter. But since it is given in meter, no problem for us. Directly we can substitute. Okay, now we got this expression. 40 is a constant, will come out of it. Integration of x dx you need to do. If you do, what you will get? Come on, 40 x square by 2. Then you need to apply the limit 0 to 5. So what you will get? 40, you will get 25 by 2 minus 0. Okay, so what is our final answer? The final answer which you are going to get is going to be, it's going to be 500 joules. Okay, so that's going to be the answer. Work done by electric we found. Okay, work done by electric, what we got is 500 joules. But as I said, in the question they didn't mention about electric or external, so you need to mention both. Okay, so it's not a big thing, difficult thing. Just external is nothing but what? Minus of electric. So this is asked as a 2-mark question in 5-mark subdivision. 2-mark it was been asked. Okay, I'll meet you in the next video. If you have doubts, you post in the comment box. I'll meet you in the next video.